Welcome back to another video. Today we got another tech review or tech tool, whatever you want to call it, from Harbor Freight. We got the 2000 mAh Armstrong power bank. If you guys don't know what a power bank is, it's basically a battery that you can charge up and then you can charge your phone or anything, basically for emergencies or whenever you have to run out of the house and no battery. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much we got 2000 mAh, so this is a real small battery, probably will charge only once or maybe about 75% of a regular phone charge. We got Armstrong power bank. It says smartphones, tablets, fitness trackers. It does include a cable, so it doesn't include like a regular cable. Pocket size, dependable, power on the go. So these are great for like I said, emergency situations where you can just leave this in the vehicle and it'll pretty much, you'll have some battery there in case you have to walk out and no battery whatsoever on your phone. And or if you're like stranded in a situation and your battery dies, you got this as a backup. It says universal USB output, a micro USB input, so that's to charge it. If you want to charge it, you can charge it with any charger from a smartphone. It says features compact power, universal USB output, micro USB cable included, LAN guard, and key ring. So basically it does include like some sort of ring for the key, not that you want to carry that with your keys. Compatible with most smartphones and tablets. It says distributed by Harbor Freight, Camarillo, made in China. Alright, let's get to the unboxing, get this video out real quick. Alright, pretty simple. You got yourself a battery bank here. Pretty much plastic. And you got a wire here. Probably a really short wire. Yep, really short wire. I'd say about 8-9 inches or so. But yeah, this is mainly what we're here for. This does include like some sort of, like I said on the package, for the keychain or something like that. It says power bank right there, so you guys see what those, yeah, right there. And it does have a port so you can charge it, and a port so you can charge with the USB via USB. It says Armstrong 2000 mAh power bank. It says risk of burns, fires. Do not use if damaged. It says 5 volts DC, 1 amp, maximum 7.4 1 amps, I guess. Item number 64977. Guess that's what it has right there. Let's test this out, see if it works. Alright, I guess it's charging, but there's not. Oh, there it is. It's on the back. That's a bad place to put a light, as you guys can see right there. That means it's charging, I guess. I should have just put the light on the front here. But anyways, yeah, they have a light here in the back. My guess it probably turns red when it's charged. I still gotta see that. All right. There's that. And there is no battery gauge here, so there's no way of telling you if you have a full battery or not. So you don't actually know if you have a full battery or not. Alright, I have a cell phone here. I'm gonna plug it in, see if we can charge the phone. It says blue. Yeah, we got a blue light. So you guys could see we got a blue light there. So if you have it like that, I guess, yeah, I guess you could see the blue from there. But yeah, on the back you do have a blue light there. And it says it's charging. It says charging 45%.
A few moments later.
Let's check here what you're at. Yep, 46%. So right there in this minute we went up 46%. So that's letting us know that it is charging and it is going up even with the phones on 46%. Anyways, this is my quick unboxing for this power bank. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.